Carry on my way.
Baby, won't you come my way?
Ei, eu a salame, babak no papel, eu a salame, zinzal bem, eu a salame, ei, ei, ei.
Hey, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Update on my brows. You guys told me I should do them, and here we are. A lot of you guys said that you guys wanted to see the Kendall Jenner brow. I need a brow lift. So if y'all want to send me 3.3K, that'd be great. Today we are going to be doing a Barbie makeup tutorial. And we're not talking about like just Barbie, like, you know, like, oh, let me do my makeup like a little brat style. Like, no, I'm following actual Barbie. Like her makeup, like she has a makeup account. She's got 9.96 million subscribers. If she could donate some, that'd be amazing. And we're gonna go ahead and follow her dear emoji makeup tutorial transformation and DIY. I'm excited, but I'm also kind of concerned because it's a cartoon and I don't think this is gonna go that well. But we're gonna find out. If you guys haven't watched my previous video, make sure to go watch it over here or over here. I was rating whether I was 100% attractive or not. Things didn't go as planned. But anyways, so without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's get started. So as always, we're gonna be putting the video right over here so you guys can watch as well. Hopefully I don't get copyright strike. I hope Barbie is a nice girl. Okay, but just the fact that she's vlogging in her bedroom, that's pretty open for her. Like, look at her little sofa. Oh wait, that's not a sofa, that's a bed. Choices.
I decided I'm gonna be a deer. Yay! I don't know if you
Yay.
know, deer have great power, determination, and grace. I love that. They're sensitive and intuitive.
Nobody cares, just show me the makeup.
I like to start with a light foundation all over my face to even out the color. Then
Light foundation to even out the color. Okay.
I use a white foundation stick or makeup. I put triangles under my eyes and around the nose and on the forehead and above the eyes. Then I put a shimmery.
Wait, I need to watch it again because I didn't follow any of that. She never even showed how to do it though. Oh, I see. Because she's animated, she's not gonna put it on. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade, not mine. But she did say light foundation, so we're gonna go ahead and use something that's significantly paler than our face. What's the worst that can happen? That is exactly what it means.
I can't tell if you're kidding right now.
If Barbie wanted me to use my foundation,
She meant like a BB cream, sweaty.
no, that's like coverage.
That's what she meant.
No, kids are
you
not gonna.
frustrate me when
No.
you do that.
No, kids are not gonna be like,
You
oh my
said
gosh.
liquid
this-
soap for soap brows, girl. Bye.
T. I'm gonna go ahead and use the light foundation on my face because Barbie said so.
I can figure it out most of the time with him, but I can't tell with makeup if you're being actually stupid.
Sometimes you're so, you know what?
All just aside though, honestly, I really do like this foundation. It has a pretty good feel to it, and I really thought I wasn't gonna like it just because it was NYX and like you can find this at like the drugstore or whatever. Hasn't broken me out. There's not much to complain about. The only thing is that it doesn't last as long. Like after a couple like hours, you start seeing like the weird like splotchiness. But so Miss Girl was setting her face very interestingly, and since this is her tutorial, we're gonna do it exactly how she said. I'm not going to fix it. Well, she said we have to use a brush, so I'm gonna be using a brush. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm gonna do the ridiculous faces that she did as well, because why not? Oh yeah. All just aside though, like if I was a child, I would literally be playing it the exact same way that I see it because I wouldn't know what to do. So this is probably what I would do. The way that she baked her entire nose. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, this looks very California. She also put it in her eye, which I wonder if the people that like made this makeup tutorial actually know anything about makeup, or they just were like, yeah, Nikki tutorials, she does a little baking thing. So let's just go ahead and do that as well. The children will love it.
I like to then put a shimmery white
Wait a
eye
second.
makeup on the lid like this. Then
You're telling me that is setting powder? Lord have mercy. I can see like the setting powder just like falling off my face as I'm like looking down.
a shimmery white eye makeup on the lid like this.
That is pigmented. I don't know what eyeshadow she's using, but let me get on that. Ooh, not her using ColourPop. Okay, so that's just not gonna happen. It's just so unrealistic with the setting powder. I'm sorry, Barbie. I'm sure you do a lot of things, but maybe makeup is not one of them. I love how we're not concealing the under eyes, so I'm literally just gonna look like Lil Huddy following a Barbie makeup tutorial. So we're gonna go ahead and use the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette. Not me attacking my face. I really like this. I've already told you guys this, but honestly, ColourPop is such a good brand. They really just have like cheap palettes and stuff. I'm not sponsored, but I do have a code. Hashtag code Indigo or whatever for 10% off. You already know. Look at me. Anyways, you guys don't have to use it. It's fine. I have to like angle it at this or else you guys can't see it. But I'm gonna use the little white shade right here. Yes. Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Who? Don't know her. Look at that. One swipe. Okay, maybe like 4 swipes, but that's fine. Okay, but I can't be the only one that actually really enjoys like white eyeshadow. Like it looks weird until you put like eyeliner on it and then it's just like chef's kiss.
Light to medium brown.
What is that? Oh my gosh, not even her for her own face shape is that accurate. Like she just did like little triangles down here. I get that she's animated, but come on, girl. Ooh. Is she gonna blend that out or?
Put a little bit around my forehead and a little bit under the lower lip. Then blend it in. And now,
Oh my god, look at my Barbie fantasy. Ooh.
and now, the eyes. You want to elongate the inner corner of the eyes. Work from the inside of the eye out. Add mascara.
Oh, no, too fast, girl. Wait, oh, I was supposed to blend this out, I forgot. So now I'm gonna use the Epic Ink liner on the inner corner. She's a mammoth, of course.
She's a mammoth, of course.
She's a girly girl. I kind of look like one of the Titans on Attack on Titan right now, the one that's like, oh no, I'm not doing that. Y'all can't make me do this part. I'm skipping this part.
Then, take the brush and powder and extend down from the eyebrows along the top of the nose down to the tip. And fill in the tip of your nose like this.
I'm just gonna connect my brows to my nose. My crooked ass nose is not gonna make a straight line down there. And then do a little black thingy here. I look like a raccoon more than anything. And now we're gonna do some white dots. Now I have the NYX little white thingy. Never mind, actually I lied. I have the ColourPop cream gel liner in white. So we're gonna go ahead and do the dots with that. That's a great idea. Oh no, it broke on me. I mean, for an animated makeup look, it's not that bad.
Ta-da! Oh, wait. I can't be a deer without powerful antlers. So I attach long twigs to hairband. And ta-da!
Who's got a twig? Ooh! Not me being like a little antler. I mean a deer. Here, let me just attach some like brushes. Here, they're my antlers. I look like the girl from Monsters Inc. What's her name? Boo? Well, that is the Barbie makeup look. Honestly, I feel cheated and lied to. She's had better makeup moments in her career. We're talking about like this and that. You know what though? It was cute. Like the presentation was nice. Was it as in-depth as in any other makeup tutorial on this planet? No. I don't think my makeup tutorials are in-depth at all, but quite frankly, be grateful now. You guys can get this iconic look by following Barbie's makeup tutorial. I'll leave the link down below because I know, you know, a girl's got to put food on the table, so y'all got to go watch her video too. Even though I didn't like this makeup look, I still love Barbie. If she wants to come on my channel and sit right here next to me, have a collab with me, she can call me and we can make things work. But other than that, yes, I give this tutorial a 2 out of 10. Did you guys like this makeup look? Did you guys like the Barbie tutorial? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I will see you guys in the future. Bye. Wait, cue the montage. It's been a while since we've done this. Shut up. Oh no, no.
That was pretty.